to is my sister Lynn said, "Is he gonna go do upstairs too?" And I'm like, "Oh my gosh." I said,
You like the best?
well, I love Sandwich House.
Location probably Sandwich, right?
Yeah, as far as, you know, but it's only 400 square feet.
Oh, it's a little tiny.
It's tiny.
Yeah.
And it's only for the summer, so.
Yeah. Well, it is what it is, right?
Yeah. So I think you were talking about having a, for this one, there's no return.
Well, there's only one return. See, you got 2 returns coming off, and it goes into 1 box.
Yeah.
We talked about adding another box because we don't have. There's not enough return here.
So should we add
More
one?
so on the air conditioning than it is on the heat.
So should we add one?
Yeah, didn't we talk about that?
Wait, I know we started to. Because it's something.
Yeah, you got two returns, and you go into one register box.
Right.
So that's not cool. I mean, you should have another one of these somewhere. I think we talked about putting it over there somewhere, didn't we?
I think so.
And then just, you know, add a flex. It'll work better. Just coming from one, it's not really good. I don't know why they did that.
I don't know. And she spent so much money on this thing.
Really?
It was 10 grand.
Oh, that's the heat. That's the heat and the AC, both, right? Yeah.
So I'll have you look downstairs and see if you can think of where you could put one in. And then you could tell me when you could.
It'll run a lot better if you do have it, you know? It will run better.
I think we should probably have that.
Sometimes I get overwhelmed. I'm only one guy here, you know, and
Yeah.
everybody wants to get stuff done. I only can do so much. I don't know if that's good or bad. That's 5/16. So you officially retired now?
I did, yeah. I officially retired because it was too much.
And how do you like it?
I love being retired.
Really?
Yeah, I really, truly do.
Most people like it.
So I was on the road a lot, and then so I was constantly on the road. I was traveling about anywhere from 300 to 400 miles.
Oh, doing a lot of driving.
Doing a lot of driving,
Yeah.
a lot of report writing. It just ended up it was just a lot. It was just, and then when she would need me or doctor's offices, and, you know, it was just.
Yeah,
You know,
this one's
she's-
dirty too.
She's
I mean, better to clean it better to have it clean than not clean, right? Because then if not,
yeah, I think every year it needs to be cleaned.
at least every 2.
Yeah, so.
You know, and if it's running okay and it's every 2 years, I mean, it ain't gonna hurt to do it every year.
So.
Better to do it than not do it.
I mean, I think we clean ours every year.
Better to use it than lose it.
We clean ours every year in both locations, so.
Yeah, I mean, it's not that big. The one downstairs was such a pain to get it. I had to take it all apart to be able to get to it.
I think that
This one is easier.
I don't think we cleaned that one for a while. My fault. Not having one.
No, I changed the fuse on that one last year. Remember?
Yeah.
That was the first time I came here. Was a fuse problem. Well, this one wasn't working, and there was a vacuum port. That was a problem on this, I think. Vacuum port was full or something.
All our people that we used to know have retired.
Oh, really?
So everybody we used to call have now retired. So we have nobody anymore. We're like, what? Now who do we call?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Our heating guy retired, our plumber retired, our electrician retired. It's like, oh my gosh, everybody retired on us.
Everybody's getting old.
Yeah.
There's a little port in there that sometimes gets full of stuff. An issue. I'll keep the...
Yeah, this guy, I hope he stays.
I'll keep that port clean.
Because he's been, so far, he's been on time with payments. He's been very quiet.
Oh, the tenant?
Yeah.
Mastic. That's what that is.
He's been really good. He's been very good.
Well, that's good. That's good. Yeah, he's not a...
The last guy was
Fruitcake.
really good. The last guy was really good with my mom.
Sometimes what happens is these guys, these tenants, they're partiers, and you know, and if you get one that's not a partier, you're better off. Or kids running around like a flipping 1,000 miles an hour, dogs. That's when it gets to be an issue.
Yeah, I said no dogs.
All right, so I gotta put this back together here. It should be good.
And I hate to say that because I mean I have a dog. Like I love dogs.
Yeah, it's hard to say that. Yeah.
So it's, you know, I mean I love my Yorkie. You know what I mean? And it was like, so I love dogs and my mother loves dogs. But
well, if you're gonna rent, sometimes you're better off just saying that, and then you don't have to worry about it.
right. And I'm just thinking, like, you know, if they had a good dog and they had, you know, you got some great owners who are wonderful. And they're really good with their dogs, and they take care of them. Well, you have owners who leave their dog, and the dog cries all day long, and they don't take care of them, you know, so.
Yeah, what was happening with this one was it was short cycling. I think because of the way the return was. It was running a little bit, then it would shut off. It would short cycle. I think that was on the heat part. I should see where the...
I know you kept saying that they
Oh, it's ECM motor. Yeah.
to change the filter more often.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe that would help.
Every 3 months to change the filter.
Yeah. Make sure it runs good while I'm here. Unless you want to call back the guy who put it in. I mean,
No.
the return's a little shitty. I wouldn't have done that.
No. I don't know. I think he did overkill. I don't know.
Alright, so what do we got here? We got
For just that one apartment down, for just
red
that
and
one
white.
level,
We need red and white. That's these two.
seems like a overkill.
Red and white. It's them two.
Seems like a very big unit for just like one small apartment.
Yeah, maybe that's what it is. It's oversized. Yeah, 60,000. I mean, it's not a crazy amount. You know, the extra return would help if you had two returns instead of trying to pull it all through one. If you had another box and then you were pulling from two boxes instead of one box, that would work better. And we told them to run different filters, cheaper filters, to get more airflow. He hasn't been complaining about it, so that's a good thing. Yeah, most people do like being retired. Especially if they had a job where it was 9 to 5 and they had a 40-hour or so week.
Some kind of.
Once you got your mother, you gotta take care of her,
I
and
gotta take care of her.
Yeah.
And then when my sister can't take care of my father, who had a stroke, major stroke at 22, just a lot happened in a very short time.
yeah.
He went downhill, she went downhill, kind of like almost at the same kind of time. So.
You gotta keep an eye on her. Getting older, right?
Yeah, I did.
Such a nice lady.
She really is.
Yeah.
I mean, she's.
Sweet person.
But she does. She'll forget things. Like she does. She just forgets things. She just.
Well, you should try the MCT oil.
But
There's
she-
been a lot of
she'll
research. There's been a lot of research about that for.
But
you
she'll
know.
forget to take that. She forgets to take her pills. I'm the one who fills her pills. I have to call her and remind her to take them.
That give her energy too. You should probably have her just get a little shot glass and give her a little bit,
Yeah, I should.
and like
Should
this.
bring it. Yeah.
Have her do it
Do it every
when
day.
you're here.
Yeah.
Every day, a little bit of MCT.
Yeah.
That's good. It feeds your brain. They get older. You know. There's been a lot of research on that.
You should actually put it like in a juice or something that she
You
drinks.
could do that, but you gotta kind of shake it up because it's oil.
Yeah.
It doesn't mix good with the water.
Yeah.
If you shake it,
I actually put it in my coffee in the morning.
yeah, MCT oil.
I do.
All right, so clean flame sensor.